Yeah. Small boom. That's why I wanted to blow something up with that, obviously.
A piece of wood came over here.
Yeah.
There was stuff flying. I think there was something flying that way.
Yeah, I was gonna put it under the stump, but then I was like, nah. That's a bad idea.
Yeah, blew the stump apart.
Yeah, that was definitely a impressive one.
How long was the fuse? Look at slowly, like
the shrapnel. Yeah, there's shrapnel all the way down here.
Yeah, look at it. In the log of the fuse sucked.
Holy crap.
I know.
Holy crap. I put this behind it just to stabilize.
That wasn't there before.
This was just sitting on top, and this was like right here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah,